Welcome to Lesson 12. This is the last lesson of this course. The subject of this lesson is recreation. الاستجمام. الاستجمام. Lesson's objective: study of numbers from 1 to 10 in Arabic, an overview of the ordinal form of numbers 1 to 10, the gender effect on number 1 to 10, study of how to tell time, and listing of days of the week and months. أهداف الدرس: دراسة الأرقام من الواحد إلى العشرة. Study of numbers الأرقام from 1 to 10. الترتيب العددي, basically the ordinal forms of the number. الترتيب is the organization of numbers from 1 to 10. استعراض المؤنث والمذكر, overview of feminine and masculine في الأرقام, in numbers, and how you would count things from 1 to 10. دراسة الأوقات الزمنية, a study of how to tell time. الأوقات is times, زمنية related to time. استعراض أيام الأسبوع, the overview of days of the week and the names of the months, and الأشهر والأشهر. This is section 2 of lesson 12, قواعد grammar. Numbers and time in Arabic. الأرقام والأوقات في اللغة العربية. Numbers and times in Arabic language. Recall that numbers in Arabic take gender positions. Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. are most common in the world today. In Arabic, it is very common to use the Arabic Indic numerals, which is shaped like this. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. صفر، واحد، اثنان، ثلاثة، أربعة، خمسة، ستة، سبعة، ثمانية، تسعة. So just exactly the same order. Math in both numbers is very much the same. The Latin languages have adopted the Arabic numerals. The Arabic language have taken either one. You'd see very common, you'd see the Arabic Indic numerals are shaped as appears on the first line. Both numeral systems were developed in close proximity in time and place. Thus, the similar patterns in numbering between English and Arabic. The only exception between the languages is the gender position. In counting, there's no gender. Okay, when we count from 1 to 10, there's no gender. واحد، اثنان، ثلاثة، أربعة، خمسة، ستة، سبعة، ثمانية، تسعة، and عشرة. واحد for 1, اثنان for 2, ثلاثة for 3, أربعة for 4, خمسة for 5, ستة for 6, سبعة for 7, ثمانية for 8, تسعة for 9, عشرة for 10. When using the ordinal form first, second, third, etc., then the number follows the noun being described. Okay, here's in English, you'd say first, second, third, etc. In Arabic, depending on the noun that you're described, you will use either a feminine or masculine. So here's al-awwal, al-awwal, al-ula, al-ula for feminine. الثاني, الثاني, الثانية, الثانية for feminine. الثالث, الثالثة. الرابع, الرابعة. الخامس, الخامسة. السادس, السادسة. السابع, السابعة. الثامن, الثامنة. التاسع, التاسعة. العاشر, العاشرة. Notice the patterns. It's very close as in English. The first and the second are different, and then the patterns is the same from 3 to 10. Okay? The same as English. Third, fourth, fifth. Just add the th at the end. Here, from ثلاثة, ثالث. And you just add the ta marbuta for the feminine. الثالثة, الثالث, الثالثة. And the number is ثلاثة. Here the number is أربعة. And you say الرابع, الرابعة. خمسة, الخامس, الخامسة. ستة, السادس, السادسة. سبعة, السابع, السابعة. And so on. So only remember that for واحد, واحد for one, and الأول or الأولى for the first. اثنان, اثنان, الثاني, and الثانية for second. For 1 and 2, the noun takes the form of single or dual. Okay? For 1 and 2, the noun takes the form of single or dual. Yusuf played twice. لعب يوسف مرتين. لعب يوسف مرتين. Here's an example. مرة would be one. مرتين would be twice, which is similar to English. You'd say once or twice, and then you say 3 times, 4 times. And the same pattern is in Arabic. You say مرة or مرتين for 1 time, once, and twice, and then you count the number of times or the number of things between 3 and 10. For 3 to 10, the number gender will be opposite to the single form of the noun, which this may be a little bit confusing, but please try and follow. Yusuf played 3 games. لعب يوسف ثلاث مباريات. Okay, so here's ثلاث is a masculine form of the number because the single from mubarayat is the plural of mubara. The single is mubara and the single is feminine, so the number take the opposite form. You say ثلاث مباريات. لعب يوسف 3 مباريات. Here's the example. Yusuf is 6 years old and he is in the 1st grade. يوسف عمره 6 سنوات. Okay, 6 سنوات. 6 because sana here, the single form of sanawat is feminine, so sittu takes a masculine form. يوسف عمره 6 سنوات وهو في الصف الأول الابتدائي, and he is in the first الأول, the first grade, الابتدائي. الساعة, here's some fun things in Arabic language. الساعة, الساعة means in Arabic the watch or a watch. The clock means the time is الساعة الآن, the time now. The hour, الساعة. And then last is the day of judgment. So it has several meaning in Arabic. So it depends what is the context of the sentence. You'd be able to tell what it refers to. Some fractions to aid in telling time. ربع, ربع, 1/4. ثلث, ثلث. ربع is 1/4. ثلث, 1/3. نصف, 1/2. Again, ربع, ربع, ثلث, and نصف. When telling time, we start by saying الساعة, الساعة, the time or the hour. Then use the feminine ordinal form of the number. For example, الثالثة, السادسة. الساعة الثالثة, 3 o'clock. الساعة السادسة is 6 o'clock. Plus the correct fraction. There's one exception for this. When we do the 1 o'clock, we basically use الواحدة, not the first, not the first, not الأول or الأولى. If you recall in previous slides, الأول for the first masculine, الأولى for the first feminine. We do not use that. We use الواحدة, الواحدة. واحد is 1 when we are counting, and الواحدة mean the one. And we put the تاء مربوطة at the end to indicate the feminine form. So we say الساعة الواحدة for 1 o'clock. So 2:30 is expressed in Arabic as الساعة الثانية, الساعة الثانية والنصف, and a half. 4:15 is expressed as الساعة الرابعة, the hour of the fourth, basically 4 o'clock, والربع, and a quarter. In 1:20 is expressed as الساعة الواحدة والثلث. It's 1 o'clock and 20 minutes, 1/3 of the hour. AM and PM, we either say صباحا AM, بعد الظهر, afternoon. مساء is PM, okay, or evening. Again, صباحا and مساء, morning or evening. بعد الظهر is afternoon. Approximations are accomplished by saying around and the correct fraction. In Arabic, it's حوالي, حوالي. Okay? 2:33 is approximated by 2:30, basically. You say الساعة حوالي 2:30. الساعة حوالي 2:30. The hour is about 2 o'clock and a half, 2:30. For 5:10, say it's close to 5:15, so you'd say الساعة حوالي 5:15. 5:15. For 7:17 p.m. you'd say الساعة حوالي 7:30 مساء. The hour is about 7:20. 7:20 مساء, in the evening. Here's days in Arabic. السبت for Saturday. The start of the week in most of the Arab world is Saturday, because the weekend, it's usually Friday. In a number of countries right now, they take Friday and Saturday as the weekend, comparable to Saturday and Sunday in the West. So the first of the week is count as either Saturday if you take only Friday off, or Sunday if you take Friday and Saturday off. Saturday is السبت. الأحد for Sunday. الاثنين for Monday. الثلاثاء for Tuesday. الأربعاء for Wednesday. الخميس for Thursday. الجمعة for Friday. Here's the months in Arabic. January is كانون الثاني. So the second, basically. There's two sets of months in Arabic that is, we call the first and the second. So there's 2 months here called Tishrin, and here Tishrin, we call this is the first and this is the second to separate them. And the same thing for Kanun. There's Kanun al-Awwal, the first Kanun, and Kanun al-Thani, the second Kanun. Shibat for February, Adar for March, Nisan for April, Ayyar for May, Huzayran for June, Tammuz for July, Ab for August, Aylul for September, Tishrin al-Awwal for October, Tishrin al-Thani for November, Kanun al-Awwal for December, and Kanun al-Thani for January again. And that concludes our grammar section for lesson 12.